In the previous video we have completed the chapter number 2. What is the name of the chapter? That is very easy and very nice chapter it is. That is physical features of India. In this chapter, one more time I am telling you what are the important things. This topic is very important. Then Himalayan mountains are very important. Then we have northern plains, not that much important, but Khadar and Bangar. These two short note भी आ जाता है इस पे. These two you must have a clear idea about them. Then Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. This whole paragraph is very very important. This one very important. And about your islands, you must know about your islands. Fine student, they used to get confused. So let us take up the exercise. So these are MCQ type questions. Choose the right answer from the 4 alternatives given below. A landmass bounded by sea on 3 sides is referred to as. So that is referred to as peninsula. Mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called as. They are called as Purvanchal. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as. It is referred to as Kannad. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is Mahendragiri. So answer the following questions briefly. What are tectonic plates? You must have studied that on the page number, first page of your chapter 2. That is, large fragments of the earth crust torn due to the rising convectional currents are called as tectonic plates. One line meaning only it has. Then, which continents of today were part of the Gondwana land? So, the continents of South America, South Africa, Australia and Antarctica were the part of the Gondwana land. So, next question we have, that is, what is the Bhabar? Bhabar is a narrow belt of Ganga plain covered with pebbles lies along the foothills of the Shivaliks. That is known as Bhabar. Then name the 3 major divisions of Himalayas from north to south. North to south. We are talking about the parallel divisions. ये देखो यहाँ ऊपर की तरफ north होता है मैप में. From north to south, 3 parallel divisions are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 parallel divisions are there. So they are the Greater Himalayas or Himadris, Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Then we have Shivaliks. So these are the 3 divisions from north to south. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and the Vindhyan ranges? So Malwa Plateau lies between these ranges. Name the island group of India having coral region. I have told you, when I have told you about the islands, एक तो volcanic eruption से बना है, दूसरा coral है. So coral कौन सा है? That is in the Arabian Sea, that is Lakshadweep. Then distinguish between are very important for 3 mark as well. 3 mark question के लिए. Distinguish between converging and diverging tectonic plates. So I will tell you 3 points of them so that you can remember them. When tectonic plates come together each other, they are called converging plates. ठीक है, ये तो सबको clear है. When tectonic plates move away from each other, they are called diverging plates. Then when they come towards each other, they either collide and crumble or one of them slides under the other. That is a point of converging plate. Okay. When they move away from each other, they do not collide or crumble. That is a part of diverging plate, because they are moving from each other, they are not going to collide. Then last point, converging plates cause folding Himalayan mountains. The diverging plates cause cracks or fractures on the earth crust, gaps create करती हैं. So 3 points I have told you, 3 points 3 mark question के लिए. Okay. Then next we have Bangar and Khadar. बहुत important है. This is a highland composed of old alluvial soil जहाँ होगी, that is known as Bangar. Khadar, this is lowland composed of new alluvial soil. It is always above the level of flood plain. बांगड़, बांगड़ क्या है, हमेशा फ्लड प्लेन के लेवल से ऊपर ही रहता है, दैट्स वाई यहाँ की जो सॉइल है वो लेस फर्टाइल है, और इट इज़ फ्लडेड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ईयर एंड न्यू अलूवियम इज डिपॉजिट, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ क्वाइट फर्टाइल. देन बांगड़, it is often saturated with calcareous nodules known as कंकर्ड्स. सो कंकर्ड्स ज़्यादा होते हैं इसमें, एंड इट इज़ क्ले सॉइल, फाइन पार्टिकल सॉइल हैं इसके, ठीक है, खादर के. नाउ बांगड़ का एक और पॉइंट है, नॉट मच सुटेबल फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, एंड खादर इज क्वाइट सुटेबल फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव वेस्टर्न घाट्स एंड ईस्टर्न घाट का डिफरेंस, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. Western Ghats mark the western edge of the Deccan Plateau. Eastern Ghats marks the eastern edge of the Deccan Plateau. Very easy point. Then, Western Ghats are continuous and can only be crossed through passes. For example, Pal Ghat, Bhor Ghat, etc. Now, Eastern Ghats are discontinuous and irregular and have been dissected by rivers draining into Bay of Bengal. Then, Western Ghats lie parallel to the western coast along with the Arabian Sea. Eastern Ghats lie along the eastern coast along the Bay of Bengal. ये तो दो पॉइंट तो कॉमन सेंस वाले पॉइंट है. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर इन योर माइंड कि मैप में कहाँ है ईस्टर्न घाट और वेस्टर्न घाट, दो पॉइंट तो वैसे ही बन जाते हैं. दे आर, वेस्टर्न घाट्स का पॉइंट है, दे आर हायर इन साउथ एंड हाइट इंक्रीजेज टूवर्ड्स द साउथ. ईस्टर्न घाट्स दे आर हायर इन नॉर्थ एंड द हाइट इंक्रीजेज टूवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. और आप क्या लिख सकते हो, एग्जाम्पल लिख सकते हो अपने माउंटेन्स के, माउंटेन पीक्स जो हैं वहाँ पे, हाईएस्ट पीक्स जो हैं, इसमें क्या है, वेस्टर्न घाट में कौन सी है, अनाईमुडी, और ईस्टर्न घाट्स में महेंद्रगिरी. सो दीज पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक अप. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिस्क्राइब हाउ हिमालयस वर फॉर्म्ड. अब फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हिमालय पूरा पैराग्राफ है आपकी बुक में, इसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. The oldest landmass of India was a part of Gondwana land, which included India, Australia, South Africa and South America as one single landmass. We know that. Then what happened? Conventional currents split the earth crust into number of fragments. तो उससे क्या बन गई, प्लेट्स बन गई. The northward drift resulted in the collision of this plate with much larger Eurasian plate. तो क्या हुआ, प्लेट्स के आपस में कोलिजन हुआ. ड्यू टू दिस कोलिजन सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स क्या हुई, फोल्ड हुई, ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ी, एंड हिमालयस वर फॉर्म्ड. विच आर द मेजर, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन, विच आर द मेजर physiographic divisions of India contrast the relief of Himalayan region with that of peninsular plateau. मीन्स आपने कंट्रास्ट करना है, डिफरेंस बताना है हिमालयन रीजन और पेनिनसुलर रीजन में. पहली बात तो फिजियोग्राफिक डिवीजन्स कौन सी, हिमालयन माउंटेन्स है, पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो, कोस्टल प्लेन, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन, इंडियन डेजर्ट, आइलैंड. उसके बाद वी विल टेक अप दी कंट्रास्ट. कंट्रास्ट इज द डिफरेंस. ये भी आ जाता है आपके पास 3 मार्क्स में कभी कभी. So Himalayas are young fold and loftiest mountains of the world comprising of several parallel ranges. और हमारी जो है peninsular plateau is a high tableland made up of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Himalayas were formed due to folding and peninsular plateau was born by breaking up of the Gondwana land. Now what you can write? You can write about the highest peaks here. Third point can be of highest peaks. Give an account of the northern plains of India. Northern plains of India के बारे में आप खुद लिखेंगे, बहुत fertile है and density of population is quite high and it is quite developed area. These things you will write by your own. You will write about Ganga plains also, right? Now write short notes on the following: the Indian desert, the central highlands, the island groups of India. So इंडियन डेजर्ट के बारे में आप लिखोगे 4 पॉइंट्स या 3 पॉइंट्स आपने लिख देने हैं. देन सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स 3 पॉइंट्स यू आर सपोज टू राइट अबाउट देम. एंड आइलैंड ग्रुप्स ऑफ इंडिया, यू नो इन आइलैंड ग्रुप्स ऑफ इंडिया बोथ द आइलैंड ग्रुप्स मस्ट बी डिस्कस्ड. लक्षद्वीप ऑल्सो एंड अंडमान निकोबार ऑल्सो, बोथ मस्ट बी डिस्कस्ड. फाइन. सो देन वी हैव मैप. वी विल वेट फॉर मैप. आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल टेक अप मैप. Now, not now only. So student, this was all about your chapter. In the next video we will start the chapter from your democratic politics. So till then revise the chapter quite carefully. Thank you students, have a nice day.